Hold it steady for him while he gets up then. Steady, steady, steady. Leg on. All the way over. Here he comes. Gonna go again? Ready?
Yeah, pull him up.
Take him back.
Pull him.
Whoa.
Right.
Ready, set, go! Woohoo! Is that good fun? Yay! Oh.
Come on over, Fern, fast as you can. This is Margate Train, somewhere up ahead on the platform. You'll probably see some little ones. In fact, mate is climbing into the engine right at the end. So we'll try and catch up quick. We're out on a very cold winter's day. Just over there, underneath that great big cloud bank, is the top of Mount Wellington, and there's snow up there at the moment. You might just be able to see it at the top. Cold. There's Alison going crazy, climbing up into the thing. Hello, Tal. Have you been left down here? I'll leave you down here myself. In a second. Whoa, Maya. Hello, lovely. Hello, Alison. You doing the engine? There's the engineer. Where's Fanny going? Wise? You sure that's wise? Alright, off you pop. See if you can do it. Yeah, you be very careful walking along there now. Nice and steady. Right, if they can do it, so can I. Oh, it's cold. Who's going down? Oh, hello there, Fan. Come and wave to everybody. Say hello.
We've got a stage fright now. When you're a bit bigger, we'll get a van so you're all comfy, cushy instead of squishy, all squishy.
You're all squishy in the back there.
I'll try not to crash anything while you're filming me.
Ow. You squishy fair?
Yes, it is.
You squishy Tal?
Yes,
You squishy there?
yes. Hey, how come we're parking again?
No, I just couldn't. I was in a funny angle to reverse in.
Bye bye Margate Train! Bye bye Margate Train.
And it is about 8 degrees centigrade today. With a northerly wind.
When you've acclimatised to something just a little bit warmer, 8 degrees is pretty damn cold, I tell you. You feel it.
Mine is very big and has a very big one as well. This one is just hanging.
Oh, just zoomed in on your driving there now.
Yeah.
Just zoomed in on
Mine
you.
is quite big.
His towel's getting peeled for him.
Yeah, I don't know. I think Tal's just been able to just looking at his mandarin at the moment. Yeah, he's not having much help at all, but you know, he seems to enjoy it. This is a little road down to our house. Right on easy key. Alison drives really bumpily down this road. So, you know, you have to bear with me. This is our view. It's a bit muggy today, I suppose.
Our windows are a bit
And you know we're getting close to our house. And we can see the little jetty out into Northwest Bay. There's Northwest Bay. There's Mount Wellington right at the top.
With snow on it.
With snow on it. Beautiful clouds. There's the jetty. Hello, jetty. Almost home. Almost home. Up the hill and we'll be there. Show me.
No.
Show me the
no, she's pretending that she's never a sulker.
That wasn't really full. That wasn't a full McCoy, really, was it?
What?
That wasn't the real McCoy.
No, it's unfair that Mummy doesn't let us have the roller coaster.
Come on, floppy pants.
Well, maybe you get it another time. Yep. Oh. Roller coaster. You coming in first? You coming in? Chicken poo? I don't think so.
If
Just because it's black and white doesn't mean it's chicken poo. Should we pop in? Should we pop on back in the house? Come on, lovely.
Can I look at that picture?
Yeah, yeah. You walk on first. You walk on as quickly as you can, and then I'll show it to you when we get in the house, okay?
If we switch it off, I can.
See if you can open that gate there.
Come on, have a look now.
No, come on. You run up to the house. Kick your boots off. No. Just come off.
Oh, come on, have a look now.
You want a little look now?
Yeah.